anybody makes it, they're hoping to love it. Just about, it's extremely long.
Todavía está la pista de patinaje.
Oo, diba? Skating, look. Oh, diba? Diba? Nice. Oh, diba? Cute yung window. Oh, diba? Nice. Grabe, oh, look. Kaganda ng mga Rolex, mga pre-owned, but this one 6,999, so 7,000 plus tax, 18 karat gold. And look at that. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. Hindi kasi masyado malinaw yung video, yung camera ko eh. Pero it's gorgeous. Classic. Look, classic yung style niya. At bibihira ako makakita ng ginto na wristwatch. This one is 18 carats. Ano ba yung pangalan? Celine. Ayan. Rolex Celine. 7,000. 7 grand. But it's 18 carats. Solid gold. Wow. Man. Manifesting that you'll be mine for my birthday. December. This month. Gorgeous. Tapos ang daming magagandang mga alahas. Grabe. Dito ako marami nabili sa Max Pearl. Max Pearl dyan. Ayan o, Max Pearl. Doon pa sila sa original nilang store way back in early 1990 sa May Market Street, right next to the Crazy Horse. There you go. I think 5th Street and Market. Yeah, ang dami ko nabili sa kanila way back nung early 20s. I'm early 40s now. So go figure, right? And ayan, tinan mo mga alahas dyan, oh. Philippine Consulate dito sa may Sutter Building. Ang laki ng parol, oh. Yung katulad ng mga parol sa Pampanga. At look, ina mo naman ang kanilang, ang ganda ng Capiz shell na lamp. Gorgeous. Oh, iba-iba naman. Diba? Ayan. Nice, diba? Parang yung ano to ng Miss Universe, yung costume ni ni Catriona, yung nasa likod niya, yung nakaganyan siya. Oh. Philippines. O, diba? Feeling Catriona lang, Miss Universe nung costume niya. Ayan o, diba? Nasa likuran niya yun, ganyan o. Ay, parang halo o. O, diba? Parang halo. Philippines. Napadaan ako ang ganda Tumawid ako. Nandun ako sa kabilang side Nanggaling ako sa favorite pawn shop ko na binibilhan ko ng mga jewelries and watches since early 90s. Yung Max Pro Jewelers. Pumili ako ng 2 pendant today. At nandun pa rin yung si ate, yung Asian na babae. Sabi ko, you've been working here for so long. Then, I have to refresh her memory. Why did I say that? I said I used to buy jewelries from the Max Pro Jewelers from the original store address down in Market Street, 5th and Market, right beside Crazy Horse. And she said, yeah, that's right. Like, yeah, you are the one of the original employees. And she said, yeah, more than 20 something years. Sabi ko, yeah, in my calculation, that was like 28 years, going 29. Tapos binigyan niya ako ng discount. 2 18 carats na pendant na cute. Binigyan niya ako ng discount. Ang laki ng discount na binigay niya sa akin. Anyway, naikwento ko lang.